Zucchini, also known as courgette, is a type of summer squash that belongs to the Cucurbitaceae plant family, which also includes melons, spaghetti squash, and cucumbers. And if you want to lose weight in a healthy way, it's maybe time for you to learn about the health benefits of zucchini. Here are 7 powerful benefits of zucchini. Number 1. Zucchini is rich in nutrients. Zucchini contains a variety of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial plant compounds. Zucchini is high in minerals and vitamins such as potassium, phosphorus, manganese, calcium, fiber, vitamin C, and riboflavin according to the USDA National Nutrient Database. It also has vitamin B6, A, E, and K, as well as sodium, zinc, and iron. It contains 94% of water, and it is an excellent source of energy. Zucchini is very low in carbs and calories, with 100-gram serving of raw zucchini containing only 3.1 grams of carbs and 17 calories according to the USDA. Raw zucchini has a similar nutritional profile to cooked zucchini, but it contains less vitamin A and more vitamin C, a nutrient that is lost during the cooking process. Number 2. Zucchini may protect the cardiovascular system. As previously stated, zucchini is high in nutrients, and these nutrients have been shown to be effective in the prevention of diabetes-related heart conditions and atherosclerosis. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, zucchini has an inverse relationship with LDL cholesterol. This means that the more productive the study population consumes zucchini, the lower their bad cholesterol levels. Summer squash also contains beta-carotene and vitamin C, both of which aids in the prevention of cholesterol oxidation. Its fiber content also helps to lower high cholesterol levels, which in turn lowers the risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease caused by diabetes. With 3 grams of carbs per cooked cup, or 232 grams, zucchini is a great low-carb alternative to pasta for those trying to cut back on carbs. It can also be spiralized or sliced and used in dishes in place of spaghetti, linguine, or lasagna noodles. Number 3. Zucchini aids in healthy digestion. Incorporating zucchini in your diet can help improve digestion by reducing constipation and other digestive issues. For starters, it is rich in water, which can soften stools. This helps them pass more easily and reduces your chances of constipation. It also has plenty of fiber, electrolytes, and other nutrients that are essential for a healthy digestive system. Insoluble fiber bulks up stools and helps food move more easily through your gut, lowering your risk of constipation even further. This benefit is amplified if you consume enough fluids. Meanwhile, soluble fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut. These beneficial bacteria in turn produces short-chain fatty acids that nourishes your gut cells. Zucchini can also help prevent ulcers, IBS, and colon cancer if consumed on a regular basis. Number 4. Zucchini helps improve eye health. Zucchini is high in antioxidants and phytonutrients that promotes eye health, such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, manganese, zeaxanthin, and lutein. By combating free radicals, zeaxanthin and lutein are especially beneficial in maintaining and improving eye health. According to one study, taking 5 milligrams of lutein per day, which is found in many natural products such as broccoli, spinach, kale, corn, orange pepper, kiwi fruit, grapes, orange juice, zucchini, and squash, either through diet or supplements, is likely effective in lowering the risk of cataracts and AMD. They also claim that these specific carotenoids help to protect the retina of the eyes by acting as a blue light filter. So, eating foods high in carotenoids such as zucchini may add an extra layer of protection to those blue light glasses. If you made it this far into the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more health-related content, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we release new videos. Now, back to the video. Number 5. Zucchini helps maintain healthy body weight. You might be surprised to learn that eating zucchini can significantly help you lose weight. It is known to be extremely low in calories, but it can make you feel full. As a result, it is an excellent way to satisfy your appetite without overeating or embarking on a crash diet plan. Carotenoids are also found in zucchini, as previously stated. In a 2019 review published in Nutrients, researchers discovered that people with higher carotenoid levels have lower BMIs than those with lower carotenoid levels. Furthermore, studies consistently link a higher intake of fruits and vegetables to weight loss and a slower rate of weight gain over time. Furthermore, non-starchy dark green or yellow vegetables with similar nutritional profiles to zucchini appears to be especially beneficial for weight loss. Number 6. Zucchini aids in bone health. Zucchini contains vitamin K, which is essential for bone health in addition to vitamins A, C, and B complex. 1 cup or 113 grams of sliced zucchini contains about 6% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin K. And magnesium is another nutrient that makes this vegetable good for your bones and teeth. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin plays an important role in bone density. In a 2017 food study of young adults, those with high levels of carotenoid in their eyes, which is a way for researchers to measure long-term dietary carotenoid intake in people, had denser and stronger bones. This suggests that eating carotenoid-rich foods like zucchini on a regular basis may be beneficial to your bones. Number 7. Zucchini is high in antioxidants. Finally, zucchini is high in antioxidants and may help protect against a wide range of health issues such as cardiovascular disease, various types of cancer, eye-related disorders, and skin disorders. Antioxidants are beneficial plant compounds that helps protect your body from free radical damage. In the body, free radicals are unstable atoms that fight infection. When free radicals are out of balance, they can harm the body's fatty tissue, DNA, and proteins. This is known as oxidative stress, and it can lead to a variety of health problems. Zucchini skin contains high levels of vitamins A and C as well as glutathione peroxidase and superoxide dismutase. As a result, you should eat the skin alongside the flesh of zucchini. Zucchini has no fat and more essential phytonutrients than any other vegetable. Zucchini is also an incredibly versatile vegetable that can be eaten both raw and cooked. It complements a variety of dishes including soups, salads, and stir-fries, and it is a key ingredient in ratatouille. Although it is one of the healthiest foods, the presence of oxalates should not be overlooked, especially if you have a history of kidney problems. And while zucchini is loaded with nutrition, like any other food, it is not a nutritional magic pill. It is still crucial to include a variety of fruits and vegetables to ensure that you're getting all the nutrients you require. That's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more health-related content, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video, and I'll see you on the next one.